A fierce gunfight was reportedly taken place between army and suspected armed cadres of NSC and IM around 5:30 a.m. today at Chingmai Kabui, Pangsanmai village, around 12 km from Kaupung police station. However, no casualties were reported. India showed signs of gaining control over the spread of coronavirus infections as new cases in a day fell to their lowest in 4 months. As per a media report, the total tally, however, is still likely to hit the 90 lakh mark within days. India added over 38,000 fresh cases in a matter of 24 hours, taking the total tally to over 89.1 lakh in the world's second worst affected country, according to the Health Ministry's update this morning. India has so far reported nearly 83.3 lakh recoveries and 1.3 lakh deaths. Imphal East District Police apprehended 5 drug dealers along with huge quantity of contraband drugs. Upon receiving information, a combined team of Imphal East Commando, Narcotics Cell, Imphal East, Special Commando Team, Irilbung Police and Women Police carried out operation at Urup Awang Laikai and managed to arrest 5 drug peddlers, including 2 women along with illegal drugs. The team recovered 6,400 pieces of WY tablets, 58 SP capsules and 20 N10 tablets from their possession. Manipur Social Welfare Minister Okram Henry today inspected various children homes, observation homes and old-age homes in THOUBAL district. Social Welfare Director NG Uttam and other officials of the department accompanied him. Demanding appropriate salary, NIT Manipur Contractual Welfare Association today staged a protest in front of the Institute Administrative Block located at Langol in Imphal. The protesters held placards that read, "We want equal work, equal pay, implement Supreme Court's judgment, etc." In an effort to make plastic-free environment and stop single-use plastic, the LONGMAI Nature Club under Green LONGMAI campaign has started making around 400 bamboo cups. This bamboo cup will be used in every major event organized at Noni District Headquarters as a first and foremost step in realizing a cleaner and greener environment, the local club said. KABUI Union Manipur, backed by other KABUI bodies, today offered prayers at the sacred Awang Kaubru Asupa Surung for speedy recovery of Manipur Chief Minister N. BIREN, who is now not keeping well after infected with coronavirus. Turel Ahanbi Atau Khong Gram Panchayat under Lilong Community Development Block of THOUBAL District today observed Mahatma Gandhi Narega Yojgar Divas at the Panchayat Hall. Turel Ahanbi Atau Khong Gram Panchayat Pradhan Muhammad Idris Ali presided over the Yojgar Divas, which discussed on social audit, GDPD and COVID-19 pandemic crisis. The first and second phase of election to BODOLAND Territorial Council, now known as BODOLAND Territorial Region in Assam, will take place on December 7th and December 10th. Our Assam correspondent reports that Udalguri and Buxa district will go to poll to December 7, while Kokrajhar and Chirang districts on December 10. Prime Minister Boris Johnson last night announced a ban on the sale of petrol and diesel cars by 2030 as a part of £12 billion green agenda, including £1.3 billion to roll out charge points for electric vehicles in homes, streets and on motorways along England, a media report said.